Hey there, y'all. Disney D Prince here today with another Disney I Love You Forever video. Today we have 4 of the new fashion packs that are all themed around the Disney rides. So we are going to check out these fashion packs and see which ones are going to be worth it for you and which ones maybe aren't. Now, the whole premise around the Disney I Love You Forever line is dressing inspired by your characters, so this changes that up a little bit more by being inspired by your favorite rides, which generally you see that a lot with Haunted Mansion because there are characters within that. But this is a first I'm seeing of the Space Mountain. I think this one's Big Thunder is what it's called. Oh yeah, Big Thunder. And then the teapots. But unlike our previous fashion packs that we've gotten, these come with ears. So we get ears for all of our dolls. So these can look a little bit different compared to how you got your baseline dolls, and that always makes things a little more fun. These are at the standard like $16, $15, but they do go on sale pretty frequently on Shop Disney. If they do the 25% off, these generally qualify. So you can get these for around like 12 usually, which is pretty good because these fashions are pretty high quality usually. Now you can use almost all of these things for Barbie and other dolls, except for the shoes on the girls. The shoes are a little bit too big, unfortunately, to stay on Barbie. But they might do well on other brands, but not many other brands have the articulated feet. Like, these won't work for Rainbow High because they're not heeled shoes on all of them, because these dolls do have articulated ankles. So, without further ado, let's start off. So we're going to start off with the Space Mountain one because it's cute. It's very space themed. So we've got some little like pajama pants, a tank top, a little cropped hoodie, some a little bit of a heel to them, sandals. We've got a cup that looks like the ride. We've got a journal with a pen, and of course our mini ears. Here is the doll styled on the back. I'm not going to use this doll for mine just because I want to use a different doll. And that doll's hair is done really prettily in her Belle outfit, and I don't want to redo her hair or take out her Mickey ears. So here is our set out of the box. Very cute. We are going to tilt down and show you guys exactly how complicated they are to take out. Okay. All right. We've got our little nipper. Get these up. These feel almost like chiffon, a little bit, or like tulle. And of course there is a staple connecting the pants to the hoodie for some reason. Okay, so here are pants. There's something inside this. I don't know why. Is there a tag really inside this? What? Yes, there is. That is the weirdest thing. Okay, I'm cutting that tag out. They put tags in the weirdest spots in this line. Disney really wants you to know it was made by Disney. Okay. But really cute. Again, like I said, like a chiffon material. Like, it's very thin. Look at that weave. Really tight waistline, so it's going to be an issue probably stretching it up over their hips, but it's okay. And then we're going to get our little tank top off. Again, a very thin material on this one. I don't really love that, but it's a really pretty design. The design does continue around the back. It's a Velcro opening on all of them. Very cute. Now we're going to get the hoodie out. I really wish they would do the same thing that they're doing with their classic dolls with these, and just go zero plastic packaging, because this is ridiculously too many staples. Oh my gosh. Got to go through and kind of rub those together just a little bit to try to close up that weave, to make those holes just a little bit smaller. But very cute. And we've got our cup that looks like it should open, but it doesn't, so it's just molded. Yeah, okay. So it's just a cup that looks like the ride. Cute, but not perfect. It'd be better if it opened, like the Olaf one did. And then we've got our cute little fuzzy slippers. Very cute right there. They do have the ILY Forever line on there. And then got our dream journal. Again, open in there. We've got our very cute little pen. Not bad. And then our last little thing that we want to look at is our ears. These are very cute. They do have the I Love You Forever on the back. And now let's see how these look on a doll. So I'm going to use the Ariel inspired doll for this, because she's got that lavender underwear, and I think it's just meant to be. So first and foremost, we get our feet through these pants, because we want to put them all the way through first, so we don't wind up with a toe through the thinner material or something like that. Okay, we're almost there. And like I said, it's kind of a struggle to get these up, just because of that really tight waistline. But really cute on. And then we've got our shirt right here. Very cute. Really tight though. Kind of surprising. This might actually look better on Barbie. And then let's put our hoodie on. Now the hoodie is open in the back because you do have to put it over their head like that before it'll work. And then we can just kind of pop our hand through. It's not cuffed at the end, which I love. It sometimes is a messier look when they're not cuffed at the end, which is why they do it. But I love the way that looks so much more, because you're not going to fight your doll through the sleeve. Okay. And then it's really cute. It has sort of an asymmetric bell sleeve, which I love that look. And then we're going to put her shoes on. Just like that. The shoes are meant to be pretty tight. So, oh, wrong shoe. Thought I had them right. Guess not. Okay. So that's how we put her shoes on. And she looks really cute. Now the trick to these ears is just kind of finding the right spot in between the hairline. But she's gorgeous. I love this outfit on her. I think it looks perfect. And now she is ready for a day at the parks. And we get 3 accessories. I think I would have preferred like a magic band that matched or something like that, compared to like the pen and the notebook. But it's really cute and I can use those. The cup one is cute. At least it's not a fanny pack. But still very cute. Now, the next one we're going to look at is the Mad Tea Party. So we've got a skirt, we've got a jacket, we've got a Mad Hatter t-shirt, we have got some painted boots down there, we've got a necklace, and of course we've got our ears. And then we've got a little like ornament purse. Very cute. Here's how it's styled on this doll. Very cute. They actually took her hair down from her normal style and put her like that. Here's the UPC. Again, about $16 at Shop Disney. Maybe eventually at Target. But right now it's just on DisneyStore.com or ShopDisney.com. Very cute. We love it. I'm seeing a lining on the skirt already. So that's good. We're going to pop these out so we can fold this flat. Okay. Very cute boots that have the flowers from the movie painted on both sides. So that's great. These actually have a sole, which is awesome. We've got our little purse, which does kind of open. It's clear, it is painted on both sides, so that's wonderful. And then we're gonna try to start getting some of these staples off. Okay, I love this jacket. Like, it's so cute. And it's not actually from the Mad Tea Party. I think this is more just Alice in Wonderland kind of vibing. I don't remember there being the poppies and stuff at the Mad Tea Party ride, but it's been a long time since I did those. But very cute. We're gonna try to get all of these off. Again, we got a really big tag in the back of the jacket, but that's fine. I wish this had been cuffed and not just heat sealed, but it is hemmed around the rest of the edges, so that's good. Try to get everything out of these sleeves. Okay. And just super cute here on the back. Okay, Very cute jacket. We're here for that. Let's try to get this skirt out. This skirt feels really stiff, which is a good thing with ruffles, because otherwise they go a little wild. Okay, so there's 3 layers to the skirt. That's awesome. So there's this external layer, there's the pleated layer, and then there is a tulle layer underneath. And we also have the little strap to keep it from riding up, which is great. And get these little staples out of the way. Very, very cute. Like, there's actual little teapot designs on there that continue all the way around the back. Very good design on that one. I'll be intrigued to see how it actually fits, but it's very cute. That is one I don't know if it'll work on Barbie or anybody else, because it is a hard fabric designed. Okay. So this one is actually more... I missed a staple in there. I was like, why are these staples not coming out? Okay. Right. Well constructed. We love that. A little bit of like a sateen. You can see the Mad Hatter on there. Very cute. It's got Velcro that opens all the way up the back. Interesting. We've got our necklace that is just a like transparent purple chain. Very cute. And then we have got our teapot ears, and these are so cute. They're painted all the way around on the teapot. Love that. Okay, so that's it that comes in there. And now let's see how it looks on the doll. So I think for this one, we're gonna use the doll that was on there, but I'm going to leave her hair the way it is. But just because she's really cute. Okay. All right. Very cute. It does turn into like a mini skirt. And then we put our hands through carefully because this is a thinner, more delicate material. Okay. And it's sticking to itself, so be careful with that because this is going to show all those spots that the Velcro sticks to. So that's unfortunate. I was going to put the chain. Oh, I got to take the shirt back off real quick because I do have crossed rubber bands that are more helpful at keeping things secure and in place when you have doll necklaces. It really just keeps them from rattling around too much. I like to make sure I do that under the clothes so that way it doesn't restrict you changing the outfits as much. But this is super cute. I'm not loving the shirt though, but it's fine. Let's see, I can't get this. Shirt's gonna get mainly covered up by the jacket at least. I wish this was in a thicker material, actually, this jacket, because I just worry it's not going to hold up really well over time, but it's super cute. Let's put her boots on. Okay, boot 1, boot 2. I love it. And then we're gonna have to put her ears on a little more carefully, because the goal is to kind of wedge it into the ponytails. But she looks so cute. And then her only other accessory that she has is her bag, compared to the Space Mountain doll. Very cute. Which is a little funny, considering we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah, so it's only got really one extra piece, but we got jewelry. That's why. Okay. So there she is, back there. She looks super cute. I love that one. Like, the skirt is adorable. The shirt is okay. I wish they had made it out of a different material. They could have done flat cotton, and I think it would have looked better, because so much of this outfit is already shiny, but it's still really cute. It's just going to catch on that Velcro every time. Now we're going to do the Big Thunder. Very cute. As you can see, the ride design is on the bag, and she's got the ride name on her shirt, some very cute basic sandals. She's got her ears, the wilderness on her jacket, which is like a denim jacket. We'll see what the front looks like, and very cute shorts. And some okay glasses. I think they're painted and not transparent. I'm not sure. I'll take a look at it once we get it out. Here is the doll styled on there. I am going to use this doll. I'm going to leave her hair the way it is, though. But it's so cute. And like, the front of the jacket actually looks super cute right there. But there is the UPC. Again, Disney store, $16. Not bad. Goes on sale all the time. These are not limited in any way right now, so that's good. So we're going to take a look. We're going to get everything out. And then adventure is out there. Okay. So the first thing we're going to look at is the shoes. So they're very basic. These will work with a lot of outfits, thankfully, because what we have a lot of is stuff that's done in specific colors and stuff like that. We don't have a ton of basics. We've got our sunglasses. They are actually transparent. You can see my finger through there. We love that. Let's get the purse out. Okay. Here is the bag. Does have a pleather strap, got a little cactus, a little fabric charm on there, and it does actually open a little bit. This is a really cute bag. There's nothing on the back, so it's not like there's an empty design. There's just the I love you thing on there. And it's really cute. This might be my favorite bag they've done so far. We'll see. And then we've got our little shorts that are very cute. Try to get all these little staples out. Very cute. The back is kind of plain. They could have thrown a back pocket on there or something. But well constructed. The edges are not hemmed, unfortunately, so if these start to unravel, they're gonna keep going. Normally you'd put like a line right there of stitching to keep it frayed but not actually falling apart eventually. So, a little bit of a design flaw on that one. We've got our shirt that is tied up. That's got the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad on there. And then try to get all these little staples out is not easy. Okay, I think we got those now. Very cute. It's made out of cotton. It's got the Velcro. So this is pretty durable. We've got our jacket now that we're going to look up. Okay. It's very cute. It's done out of a lightweight, very lightweight denim maybe. But it's not bad. Like, I'm not mad about the way this is constructed. It's made like a real jacket. The only thing I wish is they had done a lining, but you know, you win some, you lose some. But I'm loving the little patches. It's got the little buttons on there that are not functional. But this is really cute. I love the screening on here because it's an actual piece of fabric that's over it. So it's different fabric. It's not just printed on there, so it's not going to run off, which is great. And then we've got our ears that are very cute. Again, just the ILY on the back. The bow is still painted. So, very cute. Now let's see how it looks on a doll. So, again, here is that doll. This is the, I want to say it's the Cinderella doll. So that's the outfit I had her in, but she may have been somebody different. So her shorts are really cute. I like them. My only issue is that they don't have that hem around the base to keep things from unraveling too far. We're going to put, she doesn't have any necklaces that she's got to wear with this outfit, so we don't have to put her necklace on. We're going to put her shirt on. Okay, a little bit tight getting the hand through. I think it's just because of the design of the shirt. Okay, really cute. Put her jacket on. All right, thing. Why are you not going in? Okay, there was something stuck in there. Oh, and there's still another staple. I thought I'd gotten all the staples out. Guess I didn't. Okay. Okay, pretty decent. Go on. And then, let's see about this one. Why are you fighting me, thing? Okay, there was another staple stuck in there. That's why. What are you stuck on, thing? Okay. Jeez, that fought me the whole way through. Okay. All right. So, really cute. I like it. Let's put her sandals on. Again, very basic. We love that. And now, pièce de résistance will be shoving her ears through her hair to try and seat them perfectly. Okay, very cute. And then we're going to put our bag around her hair. Bada boom. Okay. Just like that. And we're going to try to put it under her collar, just like that, so we can kind of keep it there. And then we can put her little sunglasses on, because she's actually one of the dolls that's easier to put sunglasses on, because her hair is all the way up. But it does not want to stay above her eyes. But she looks really cute, I think. All right, so let's get her back in line. She looks really cute. Here we go. We're going to look at the last one, which is our Haunted Mansion. Now, the Haunted Mansion one, I think, got the most amount of love in this outfit because that cat shirt is an undershirt. This design is straight from the wallpaper. Like, there's Madame Leota on the bag. She's got a necklace, shoes, socks, and ears. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in this set that are all fashion pieces. So yeah, I think this one got the most love. This is the best value for it. Here it is styled on the doll. She looks really cute. I am going to use this doll also, and it's the Tiana doll. Here is her UPC. Again, $16, Shop Disney, and it is maybe going to be available at Target eventually, but not right now. Just, oh, so cute. I'm kind of surprised Haunted Mansion didn't get an accessory pack also, considering how much people love Haunted Mansion, and this is coming out in Q3 of 2022, or 2023, where are we, what time? So you're coming up on Halloween. So we've got really cute shoes. They do have a little bit of sole to them. That's good. Here is the little, like, bat necklace. Or maybe that's supposed to be the door knocker, I'm not sure. Again, this has got to go under a rubber band. Okay. And then we've got our very cute Madame Leota bag. It can open just a little bit. Really cute. It would have been even better if these chains were actually like free, so it wasn't so static. But it's still really cute. We're going to try to get our socks out of there without too much effort. But there's like like 6 staples holding these things in. Oh, and they are mesh. Oh. Okay. That's going to be fine. It's going to be tricky, but this is a loose weave mesh. I was hoping these were just shiny cotton. But they are a loose weave mesh, like a fishnet. That's fine, but it's a lot harder to maintain those as far as doll clothes go. And I say that after having snagged many a foot on these kind of materials. So whenever I kind of like offer up an opinion like that, I'm just like, oh no, not again. These pleats are not as structured as the Tea Party ones, and they don't really finish going around the back. Very cute. Big tag in there. It does have the little underwear strap in there also. If you love Haunted Mansion, you're going to love this pattern, and you're going to wish the skirt was real. Okay. The shirt, again, is done in a, like, chiffon, which is good and bad. Good because it's going to give that light, airy kind of gothic feel. Bad because it is really thin material, and really thin material does not equate to really well-lasting clothes. I wish this had been hemmed and not heat-sealed material, but it's fine. Very cute sleeves. There is a hem running along the bottom of this at least, so hopefully that'll help it. We've got a nice heavy fabric for our undershirt with the cat on it. Very cute. I'm gonna try to get all these stupid staples out. Okay. A very cute pirate eye cat. I don't know. Ooh. Okay. Very cute. It does bring that blue in a little bit. Here are our ears. I kind of wish they had done the pattern on the ears as well, and not just the stripes. But it's very cute. There is a little like ghost here on the back. We love that. This is a great thing to keep if you want to do like shelf backers in this material. And now let's check out how it goes on our doll. Now she is very cute. We are going to start by putting her necklace on. So what we want to do is just kind of get it on there and actually further on there, we want to put that little like back part on there to keep it really in that same spot. Now you see it floats a little bit, which is good because we're going to need that to go over the shirt so that way it's visible. We're going to start with this shirt. I think is going to be a safer bet. And then we'll do the skirt. Okay. Again, with this kind of skirt, do try to use that underwear strap if it fits the doll that you're using. Just because it actually helps to keep it at the right spot. Okay, she looks very cute like that. But this shirt obviously makes the doll, really. It's a very Wednesday Adam kind of vibe. It looks cute. We're here for it. If I could get the freaking fingers through. There we go. Okay. And then we're doing this as carefully as we can because of the material. Last thing you want is a thumb coming through your shirt. Okay. 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 It's actually a little too tight, but we're gonna get there in the end. Okay. So we've got her like that. Honestly, this may not work for this doll because it's already kind of popped under. Hold on, I gotta use my tweezers or something. There we go. All right. Okay. So it's very cute. I'm actually kind of tempted to put it under there so you can see it through the mesh, but not on top of the collar. I don't know if that would look better or worse, but it would definitely keep it down, you know? Because they didn't have it under this collar, because you can't really put it all the way under. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Quick change. Because it is a whatchamacallit, it is a transparent shirt. Oh yeah, I like that better. That works, because that way it doesn't block the collar and you can still see it. Okay, that's better. So I would suggest putting it under this shirt. And now let's put the Socks of Doom on. Okay. Right, like that. I want to try to get it to where the seams are on the back of the shoe, or on the back of the foot, like that. And then we're gonna try our best to put these on to where it doesn't snag. Okay, so there's that. So she looks really cute right now. Our next goal is to put our ears on and have them stay. Okay. And then I don't know if this will fit over her head. Okay. Yep. Okay. So just like this, we've got to readjust her ears. And bada bing, bada boom. Okay. So she looks super cute. Set her back there so you guys can see everybody. So I think this is a really cute line. I think they could have done a few things better on some of these, but overall I think it's great what they did. Like, they gave us a bunch of extra accessories for the Space Mountain one, which works with the Space Mountain accessory pack that we got, but is not as cohesive with the rest of the group, which looks like they're going to the park. They could have made the Mad Hatter out of a cotton shirt. It would have held up better, I think. The Big Thunder, again, just that line of stitching around the bottom would have really helped to prevent those shorts from eventually starting to fray beyond what's intended on that look. And then maybe making those glasses just a little bit taller to cover the eyes, because they don't really cover the eyes on her nose bridge. But very cute. And then on our Haunted Mansion, I would just suggest taking the stripes off the ears and putting the wallpaper. It'd be cuter in my opinion, but that's more like a nitpicky. But other than that, I think all of these are worth it. I think Big Thunder has the most basic usability because her shoes and her shorts are really like multiversal. You know, you could use them across all the different dolls. And so are her glasses. The glasses are a little bit big for Barbie, but you can kind of work them for Ken. So if you guys have questions on any of these, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed it, leave me a like. And as always, follow along for some more fun unboxings. Bye, y'all. Be good.